Hello and welcome back to my travel channel. I'm Vicky from Nonstop Travel VV, and today I have the perfect carry-on for you if you are not quite a minimalist just yet, or if you have bigger clothes, for example if you are a guy, or if your airline is not quite that strict yet and doesn't charge extra for a normal size carry-on, or if you just like shopping while you're on your trip. So today we are reviewing a new bag, which is slightly bigger than the one in my last video. Without further ado, may I introduce you to this bad boy. Why should you travel with only carry-on? Well, I've been doing it for many years now and I just find it way easier, but mostly I'm doing it because I value my time and my money. My time, meaning when I arrive at my destination, I don't want to wait at the luggage carousel for my luggage to come out. I also don't want to worry about my luggage getting lost. It's quicker and it's easier. And also my money. Well, obviously airlines now start to charge you wherever they can for any extras, and they consider checked-in luggage an extra. Most airlines allow to bring a carry-on bag, a normal size carry-on bag, and we will talk about sizes in a minute. If your airline is a little bit more generous, and most airlines right now still are, thankfully, then what I've got for you here is perfect. Here it is. It is the Vega 43-liter carry-on travel backpack. It is very special because it's not just a backpack. Those straps can hide. I will show you in a minute. It's also a normal bag, or you can wear it with a strap just as a shoulder bag, or you can carry it by its handles. It has so many different ways of how you can use this bad boy. Alright, before we open all the zippers and look into all the compartments, because it has a lot going on. It looks quite minimalistic from the outside. You can't even tell where the back and the front is. So I just received it a few days ago in the mail. It was completely flat packed and it was so tiny and so light. I was like, is this the right package? But it was, thankfully. All the pockets here are like waterproof zippers. And I mean, it took me a while to find where all the hidden compartments are. It's just a very stylish bag, very minimalistic design. It is called Vega 43 liters carry-on travel backpack. So carry on because yes, it is slightly bigger than a personal item. So if your airline is super strict and doesn't allow a free carry-on item and you have to actually pay extra for your carry-on item, it is annoying that airlines are doing this right now, but we have to roll with the punches. So if you are with one of those super strict airlines, you might want to check out my previous video. But if you are lucky enough to be able to bring just a normal size carry-on bag, this is the perfect solution, the perfect hybrid between a wheeled normal carry-on suitcase and a small backpack. Because here, it is unbelievable how much I can fit in there. I did a test pack yesterday and it blew me away how much can fit in there. I cannot see myself ever needing more space than this thing has. So yeah, I think it is the perfect solution if you want to be hands-free and still bring a lot of stuff. As you can see, I've got the black one. It's just very elegant in black, I think. But it also comes in green and in blue. And actually they're very pretty too. And I'm sort of thinking now, should I have gotten the green one? But you can't have it all. All right. The material, unbelievably light, really strong as well at the same time. It is 1.2 kilos, the entire bag, which really surprises me because, I mean, it has like all these padded straps. It has a padded compartment for your laptop. This is actually also a bag that you can easily use for the gym or like any other adventure as well. So it doesn't have to be traveling. But I mean, it is designed for traveling and it's perfect for that. But if you want to travel to the gym, this could be your bag. You can fit towels in there. You can fit everything you could possibly need in there. And yes, it is also water resistant. Hence the water resistant zipper here. Apart from being functional, I just think it looks really pretty. And I've done my homework, you guys. So I measured the bag and then I checked with strict airlines around the world the dimensions of the Vega 43 liter backpack are 42 centimeters times 32 centimeters times 25 centimeters. So well within the limits of Jetstar, for example, which is 56 centimeters times 36 centimeters times 23 centimeters. Easy. It just has to be under 7 kilos if you fly Jetstar. For example, if you fly with Delta, if you're based in the US or if you're flying to the US, I will be flying to the US soon because I love it there. Anyway, Delta allows pretty much the same measurement, so easy, you can fit it, and no weight limit. However, to be honest, if you are a woman, I would recommend to stay under 7 kilos. For me, 7 kilos is as much as I wanna carry. Anything more than that, it starts to get a little bit uncomfortable. We will see how comfortable this is because I will pack this bad boy in a minute and then we will carry it around a bit and we will see how it feels. But generally 7 kilos is also plenty of stuff that you can bring even for a winter trip. Also, if you want to go shopping at your destination, you want to have some room in it. I'm torn between the BAGSMART Blast backpack that I reviewed 2 weeks ago and this bad boy because I really love the design and I quite enjoy thinking that I don't have to stuff it, so I can have it half full and then I can go shopping at my destination. So even though I've done my homework, don't take my word for it. Always double check with your airline, please, because those regulations change. And also it always depends on if you're flying internationally or domestically. It's like airlines are trying to have like the same size requirements. And they had a meeting and they were talking about it, but they cannot agree just yet. So always double check with your airline because you wouldn't really want to check in this beautiful bag. I mean, I wouldn't want to check it in, even though you can hide the backpack straps so that nothing is dangling from the bag so it doesn't get injured. You know how baggage handlers treat bags. I would prefer not to check it in, but I think you might be able to squeeze it under the seat in front of you if it's not completely fully stuffed. All right, and welcome to the most exciting part that you've been waiting for, a tour of this bag. Okay, at the very top, we've got the laptop compartment. And I've prepared all my things. And just so that you can see, this is a 15-inch MacBook Air. Easily fits in here and nicely padded as well. So that's the very top. Then, next up, we've got the zipper that brings you straight into the main compartment, and of course it opens like a suitcase, clamshell style. So this is the inside, and oh my god, it's like there is so much space. It feels, I don't know, it feels bigger than my wheeled carry-on, but because it's so deep, so that's amazing. What do we have here? I'll show you. We access this from the bottom. This is again for your shoes or for any dirty laundry that you don't want to touch your pristine inside clean clothes. Then we've also got the plastic where you can easily just put your toiletries, so you don't really have to bring a toiletry bag, especially if you're a man and you don't have much stuff. Hairbrush, toothbrush, toothpaste, easy. You can just put that in here. Don't even need to bring a toiletry bag. Or if you have like something wet, like a wet swimsuit or something, also perfect. Waterproof pocket. On the other side, we've got a mesh compartment here with 2 sections to it. Really nice for like small things. And in the lid here, we've got another mesh compartment. I mean, it just feels so nice. Anyway, let's close this back up. On the sides, a nice side pocket here. I mean, I reckon you could put your passport in here. It is the easy access quick pocket that you can access from the side. And on the other side, we've got, what does it say? Here or there, now or never. And this is where your water bottle goes. And also this stretches nicely, so you can bring a really big water bottle as well. I mean, there are so many compartments. I hope I don't forget anything, because it's still, also because it is really hard to tell where the top and where the bottom is because of the minimalistic design. You can hook on anything that you like, or this is the strap that's separate if you just want to wear it as a bag, which I probably won't, because it will feel a little bit heavier if you wear it as a bag. But, I mean, it's gonna look very cool, that's for sure. All right, and then here On the top of this thing, we have another easy access pocket for whatever you need quickly on the plane. And of course, at the very front, with that nice waterproof zipper that I'm going on and on about, but I just love it. And there is a really nice pocket here as well. It is perfect for traveling. I just love a good backpack that has lots of compartments and pockets because you will be so much more organized. Have I showed you this side pocket? I'm not sure, but here, another side pocket. And I want to show you how the straps disappear or how they appear because I've strapped them away. It has a nice Velcro here. So this is like the back side of the bag. And here, ta-da! Out come the straps, super quick and easy. And then you just click them in down here. Super easy, it literally takes a second. And there you have it, and now it's a backpack. Even though it's like multifunctional, not just a backpack, but also just a bag, the shoulder straps are still super, super nice and padded. And they have this thing, let me demonstrate. They've got the clip that I like. There you have it. You can also wear it as a normal bag. So I'm gonna hide them again now. Nice and discreet, as if nothing happened. And then, if you want to carry it as a normal bag, here, there's also Velcro here on the side. And you get the normal handles on both sides here. There you go. And now, you can just carry it like this. Which I think is really cool. Like, if I use it for the gym, then this is definitely how I would use it. Okay, but now you can see everything that I've prepared that I will fit into this bag. I'm just test packing. This is what I would bring for a winter trip. So I've got my thermals here. I've got two sweaters and they're quite heavy as well. And I've got my heaviest jeans just because I can. So I would travel with lighter pants because, again, there's so much room in this thing. I'm gonna pack my heavy jeans and I have a packing cube from BAGSMART. They come in a set. I've got my pajamas, I've got my gym clothes, I've got my underwear and my socks. Everything in this one packing cube. Fits easily. And I'm even bringing a dress. Good to have. I'm also bringing quite a heavy handbag. It's small, but it's actually it weighs quite a bit. Let's pack everything into this bag. So if you want to see exactly what I pack, please watch my previous videos where I talk about like all the little things that you need and how I pack and everything. This video is more about the bag itself, not about the packing. So let me quickly just put everything in there and then we can check how it feels. Oh, also, I'm bringing this, which comes with the packing cubes. It's just like a small backpack. I mean, it's actually a shoe bag, I think. But you can easily, if you need some extra room when you're like shopping or something out and about, wear this. Because you don't really want to lug this around at your destination. This is just your travel backpack. But yeah, for like everyday's little things, I find this really, really useful. So it comes with the set of packing cubes as well. And now, without further ado, let's put everything into this bag. It will be so easy, you'll see. So we will start with putting the shoes in. In they go. And there's also an extra mesh compartment here, by the way. Done. And I didn't even like roll things up or like, if you use all the compression packing cubes for everything, you can fit so much more. But again, it's gonna get heavy then. All right, the book, let's find a good spot. Perfect. It fits here. And my sunglasses. They will go in here as well. Perfect. And last but not least, my MacBook Air. And if I want to bring my Osmo Pocket 3, which is my new camera, and I'm filming on it right now, so I can't show you, but this will go on top inside here. It has its own pouch, and as you can see, there is still plenty of room in here. I've got so much more space, so like even if I do a winter trip, I can definitely go shopping as well. And isn't that always the goal? Now let's hide those side handles again. So we don't need them because I'm gonna wear it as a backpack now and see how it feels. let's get the straps out. So yeah, if you have the luxury of traveling without a laptop, then it will still be quite light. The laptop always makes it a little bit heavier, but that's just what it's like when you are a content creator and you want to edit on your trip. And we are all set. I mean, at some stage I will probably take the tags off, but I'm quite enjoying them for now. And my phone will go into one of those side easy access pockets. Alrighty, and I want to say thank you to BAGSMART for sending me this bag. I absolutely love it. BAGSMART also asked me to make a video about this bag, which I was very happy to do because this is my honest opinion. I honestly really love the bag. If you love it too, there is of course a link in the description where you can buy it. And also, please just let me know in the comments, what do you want to see? Do you want me to review more bags? Do you want me to do a comparison of all the carry-on options that exist in this world? I mean, I try to get my hands on as many as possible. Let me know if you have any questions. Please share your experience with carry-on only travel and let me know what video you want to see next. Or just say hello. Thank you so much for watching. I don't even want to take this thing off. It's so comfortable. I don't even notice it's there. I'll see you in the next video. Bye!